have witnessed the grand launch of this Leica tracker here, and here we are having with us Anup Verma as well as Mr. Sridhar here, both from Hexagon. So can you please let us know about the new launch, what you had here?
Yeah, so this is a laser tracker, new series laser tracker. We call it 500 series, and it comes it's more compact. It's the latest generation, much more portable than what we have at this time. So that's the key features. Of course, it has many more key features, which our product people can explain in more details.
Okay. And you had a wonderful stall here in IMTEX. So apart from this, how the visitors can have a great experience of Hexagon here?
Well, Hexagon, pioneer in technology, really speaking. So from the hardware to the software that we have, from design to hardware on the shop floor, they can experience everything. And what you see specifically here is, you will see the focus is on forming, the focus is on metal forming. So you will see all the applications that we are showing here is basically on the forming side, and the software side, what we do in smart manufacturing, what we are doing today in the smart manufacturing side is another aspect that we are showing. Design engineering is from the sheet metal point of view also, from forming point of view also. So these are the things that we are showing. There are a few launches also. We have a specific laser tracker, a laser scanner on a laser tracker, and that's also new. It's a new generation laser scanner. We call it AS1. It's on the automation workbench. So we are showing standalone. We are showing metrology on the metrology room. We are showing metrology on the shop floor. We are showing automation. We are showing design engineering, and we are showing all data and digitalization aspects of it in our smart manufacturing.
So you're having a complete bouquet of all metrology services here, from the design engineering to the end quality inspection.
Yeah.
Be it contact or non-contact, everything
Correct.
is available here.
Correct.
So you can please visit Hexagon here at IMTEX, and you can find all the solutions for the metal forming.
Yes.
We are also, when you are talking about hardware and software, we are also having Mr. Sridhar. So I would like to hear from you that what the customers can get from the smart manufacturing software solutions of Hexagon.
Exactly. See, when we talk of manufacturing, for us, manufacturing starts right from the design stage. Because 80% of the product cost is already defined at the 20% of the product life cycle. Because when you're designing the part you are actually deciding what material you're going to use, what kind of manufacturing you're going to use, whether you're going to use additive manufacturing, whether you're going to use the traditional way of manufacturing. So when you call it smart manufacturing or industry 4.0, for us it starts right from the design stage. So our whole objective is we are very unique in this whole ecosystem, where we have a design engineering solution, we have manufacturing production solutions, and we have metrology solutions. So Hexagon is a technology company. I call it a phygital company because we operate in a physical space as well as in a digital space. And what customers can really see is, can your as designed, as manufactured, as measured can be one and the same. Because the designers using the software solution may say, I've designed a great part. Manufacturing may say, I've manufactured a great part. But the metrology guys physically measures the tolerances of the part and say the proof of the pudding is in the eating, and look at the tolerances of the part. So we are connecting all these technologies through digital thread, and having a digital twin of every component, of every process, of every manufacturing instructions in the digital world. So first you can actually do whole thing in the digital world and then go ahead and manufacture in the physical world, so that you can get it right the first time, and also drastically shorten the product, the total product manufacturing or product development time. So that's what is Hexagon very unique, where they have software, hardware, and whole thing is integrated, and we can demonstrate the whole thing in this stall today.
Here in the live demo at the IMTEX.
Sure.
So I wish you, both of you, all the very best, and Hexagon, the entire team of Hexagon, all the best.